Welcome everyone. Today we'll be exploring how to install IPTV effortlessly on your devices, ensuring maximum entertainment right at home. Don't forget to visit 2tv.store. First things first, let's talk about what IPTV is and why it's become so popular among viewers. IPTV offers a wide range of channels and video-on-demand content. Now, let's check your compatibility. Ensure your device meets the requirements for IPTV installation. This could be a smart TV, smartphone, or a streaming device. Once confirmed, the next step is to download an IPTV app from your device's app store. There are many options available, but we recommend user-friendly options. After installation, open the app and enter your IPTV subscription details. Make sure to follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process smoothly and accurately. Congratulations! You've successfully installed IPTV. Take your time exploring the various channels you now have access to and enjoy endless entertainment.